My name is Amelia Power and I'm the Head of Sales and Marketing at SLA Mobile. At SLA, we give mobile operators and merchants the capability to leverage the API economy by monetizing their network and data assets. We help them build an ecosystem of new services that can engage their customers and drive new revenue. Direct operator billing is just one of these services. It offers a simple and secure one-click mobile purchase experience. Transactions appear on the customer's mobile phone bill, or prepay customers simply pay using their credit balance. In regions like the Middle East, where credit card penetration is low, we are seeing increased demand for mobile payment services, just like direct operator billing. With that in mind, we are currently rolling out the mobile payment service to Zain Group, a mobile operator with operations in 8 markets across the Middle East and Africa. Our direct operator billing solution is attractive to this market, and it offers both mobile operators and merchants opportunities to access previously hard to reach demographics and helps them expand into new and emerging markets. With the significant growth in revenue from mobile content and apps in the Middle East and Africa, it is important that providers of digital content give their customers an easy payment solution so that they can conveniently consume the content through their mobile device. At SLA, we not only have the technology and the expertise, but what differentiates us from our competitors is that we have the commercial relationships with major app stores, aggregators and content providers to deploy a successful direct operator billing solution for you. We leverage our commercial relationships with these content providers to bring you instant access to new revenues. Not only do mobile operators and merchants benefit from this solution, but the customer enjoys a secure and convenient payment experience that they can trust.